Can you come on this one, please? Yeah, that's good. So we'll press this side. Listen to the teacher. Be on your circle, okay? And when you say that, okay, you can turn and talk, then you do it, okay? Try to be in our circle. Okay.
Ready?
Are you excited? We have a gift at the end.
Did you guys have a good day at school today?
Yeah.
Are you tired or are you ready to listen? Okay. So today we're going to be looking at different aspects of caterpillars and butterflies. Do you know what a caterpillar is? Raise your hand if you know what a caterpillar is. What's a caterpillar?
It's something that turns into a butterfly. It looks like a worm, actually.
Right. Are they small or are they big?
They're big.
They're big.
No, they're big.
Is it as big as my dog?
No.
No.
Yes.
How big is it? Is it like this big?
It is.
That big?
It's
Right.
like this big.
Who can tell me what a butterfly is?
It's a type of bug.
The type of bug.
Of being an ant or some type of bug. It's a type of bug that can fly. Some types of bugs can fly, but a butterfly
Mhm.
is a beautiful wings type.
They are pretty. Have you ever seen a butterfly at home?
I saw it today.
Have you? Was it on the playground?
Yeah. I saw
Oh.
a white one. It was yellow.
You did?
You might have saw it.
Hey,
Alright.
really quickly before we get further into this, if you want to talk, hey, all eyes, if you want to talk, please raise your hand so that we can call on you and everybody won't be talking at the same time. We're going to practice that, okay?
Okay.
Hold on, let's listen first.
We're going to listen just really quick because we're going to get into some words that we need to know for our story, okay? So, have you guys gone over comparing and contrasting this week?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So if you've already gone over it, does someone want to tell me what comparing something means?
I'm going to see.
Anybody? Do you remember? Or do we need a refresher? Do we need to look at it again? All right, so comparing and contrasting, remember, is looking at some things or something. So we're going to look at the caterpillar and the butterfly, and we're going to see what's the same or what's different about the caterpillar versus the butterfly. And now Zaria's going to go deeper into our words that we need to know before we read, okay?
Yes, so just like Jenna said, comparing and contrasting is what we're talking about today. When you compare things, you're looking at how things are alike or the same. Okay, so everyone say compare
Compare.
means alike or the same.
Like or the same.
Good. And contrasting is how things are different or not the same. Say contrast or contrast is how things are different or not the same. Say different
Different.
and not the same.
Not the same.
Okay, so how we can use this in a sentence is we can say blank and blank are similar or alike because this is how we're comparing things. Or if they're different, we can say these two things are different because one is blank and the other is blank. Here is a Venn diagram. This is how we can organize our thoughts. We can put the things that are different on the outsides and the things that are the same down the middle. So we have a giraffe and a zebra. I'll let y'all do this. How are giraffes and zebras different? How do they contrast? How are they different? Yes.
The zebra's striped.
Okay, that's a good one. Yes, it's right here. How are they different? Contrasting.
One is small, one is tall.
Okay, one is taller. Which one's taller? Nice. Okay, go ahead.
The giraffe is yellow and
Zebra.
the zebra has white.
Yeah, black and white. Good job. How are they similar? How are zebras and giraffes similar, or how did they compare? Yeah. I'll come back to you after somebody helps, okay? Go ahead.
They both eat poison.
Okay. Go ahead. You got one?
They both have tails.
Okay, good point. They both have tails. What's something else? How do they compare? Go ahead.
They both have hooves on their feet.
Oh, nice. They both have hooves, okay?
They're both animals.
They're both animals. Yeah, that's an easy one. Go ahead. One more.
They both have wings.
They both have manes. Good job. Yeah, so we are comparing and contrasting two different things. Today we're going to talk about caterpillars and butterflies. Let's listen to the story.
All right, ready? Have you guys read this book?
No.
You read it?
No.
No. Have you read any of these books? National Geographic books? On animals and bugs and different things? They're so good. This one's going to start with the caterpillar, and it's going to go all the way through the life cycle of a butterfly. So it's going to tell us all about the caterpillar and all about the butterfly, okay? And we need to listen for what? Our comparing and contrasting facts. So what's different between the caterpillar and the butterfly? And we're going to have to remember them, okay? So when you think of them, just say, ooh, I need to remember that, okay? Because we're going to look at that later. All right. This is a riddle. You guys might get it, you might not. We'll go through it though. It says, what starts as an egg, then walks on many legs, and then uses wings to fly? What is it? What is it? A butterfly. Beautiful butterflies. Butterflies are fun to watch. They fly in loops and dives. Some have bright colors, and some have bold patterns too. And this says, what do you call an insect that's running out of gas? A sputterby butterfly. You see all the different colors these butterflies can be? And then we go to 4 stages. It's also fun to watch butterflies change. They change a lot in their short lives. In fact, there are 4 stages in a butterfly's life. Number 1 is the egg. Number 2 is the caterpillar. Our caterpillar right here with all its legs. Number 3 is chrysalis. Can you guys say that? Good job. And that's, you know what a cocoon is?
Yes.
That's the caterpillar's cocoon. And the 4th stage is when it turns into a butterfly. And this is a monarch butterfly.
I know about those.
Stage 1 is the egg. A mother butterfly lays many eggs on a leaf or a branch. Each egg is close to food. Caterpillar food, that is. What do you think caterpillar food is? Yes.
Flowers.
Flowers. Yes.
Leaves.
Leaves. Yes. Butterfly eggs come in different shapes. Look at all these. So these are all butterfly eggs. So we got some that look like a circle, some that look like almost a cone shape, and then we have these that are hanging and they're all hung together. Stage 2, caterpillar. The tiny caterpillar bites a hole in the egg. It crawls out. The caterpillar is very hungry. See them coming out of their eggs?
They look like worms.
That's kind of what caterpillars look like. The caterpillar eats the egg, then eats the leaf it's on. The caterpillar moves to another leaf and eats it too. Do you think they got to eat a lot or just a little to turn into a butterfly? A lot. The caterpillar grows and grows. It gets too big for its skin. It sheds its old skin like a snake. What's green and dangerous?
A snake.
A caterpillar with a bad temper. That's what it says. It's a joke. The new skin fits for a while, but then the caterpillar is too big for that skin too. Caterpillars shed their skin 4 or 5 times. So does it just go one time? Just sheds its skin like a snake one time? How many times?
4, 5.
4 or 5 times. Chrysalis. By now the caterpillar is ready to rest. It hangs upside down. It sheds its skin one more time. The new layer is called chrysalis. It is hard. It's a hard shell. Inside, the caterpillar is changing. It stays in the chrysalis for 10 to 14 days. And this says it's a monarch butterfly caterpillar. That's what the monarch butterfly caterpillars look like. You see? Do we need to go back to our monarch butterfly? That's a monarch butterfly. And it says these are monarch butterfly caterpillars. And this is the stage. So they get hung upside down. Remember what our book said? They get hung upside down. They shed their skin one more time. And then they form their little cocoon. And they're going to take a nap. And stage 4, butterfly. The chrysalis moves. It splits open. The butterfly wiggles out. Its wings are wet and crumpled. Blood pumps into the butterfly's wings. They get bigger, harden. The wings dry. Now the butterfly is ready to fly. Have a good trip, butterfly. And the joke says, how are caterpillars and babies alike? They both creep and crawl. So so does the butterfly come out of its cocoon ready to fly, or its chrysalis? Is it ready to fly when it comes out? No. What has to happen to its wings?
Dry.
They gotta dry and they gotta get more hard, like how kids and adults go and work out and they get stronger. The butterfly's wings have to get hard so they can fly and go in the air. Time for lunch. A butterfly doesn't eat plants like a caterpillar. It has no mouth. A butterfly drinks nectar from flowers. It drinks juice from fruit. A tube on its head works like a straw. Slurp. So what do caterpillars eat? Do butterflies eat leaves? No. And here's some fun facts. We're close to the end, okay? There are about 20,000 kinds of butterflies in the world. Butterfly wings are covered in tiny scales. The world's smallest butterfly is a blue pygmy. It's the length of a pushpin from wing to wing. Do you know what a pushpin is?
No.
Do you know what a little thumbtack is? Maybe your teachers use it to hang stuff up on the bulletin board.
Yeah.
They're about this big. That butterfly is only that big.
Whoa, it must be so hard to spot.
Butterflies are found all over the world except in Antarctica, in the driest of deserts. Butterflies taste with their feet. They have taste sensors there. The world's largest butterfly is a Queen Alexandra's birdwing. It's as long as a ruler from wing to wing. It's as long as a ruler. Do you guys have rulers?
Yeah.
That butterfly is as big as that ruler.
Have you seen one like that?
Caterpillars and butterflies are tasty snacks for predators, but they have tricks to keep predators away. Some use camouflage. Can you see that butterfly?
Kind of. I see it.
And some can be deadly to eat. I don't think I'd eat him. He looks
Yeah.
kind of gross.
I think that's poison.
Some look like other things. That kind of looks like a grasshopper in the head. He's trying not to be a butterfly. Kind of looks like a snake.
Like a dinosaur from a cartoon.
Kind of. He's trying not to be a butterfly so he don't get eaten. Wing words, camouflage, an animal's natural color or shape that helps it hide from an enemy. So this butterfly, he or she, is hiding so it doesn't get eaten. And a predator, so we're hiding from predators so we don't get eaten, is another animal that eats other animals. Butterfly or moth. Butterflies and moths look a lot alike. Here's how you can tell them apart. See them? Moths are usually furry and have chunky little bodies, and butterflies are thinner and aren't furry and usually are bright colors and not very bright colors. Bring butterflies to you. You can bring butterflies to your backyard, make a butterfly garden, but first ask an adult for help. And then this is, the pictures show close-up views of butterfly things. Use hints below to figure out what's in the pictures. We know what this is. What is this?
A caterpillar.
What's this?
A butterfly.
What's this?
Egg.
What's this?
A chrysalis.
Yes. I love it. What's this?
I don't know.
That's another type of butterfly, but he's trying to camouflage into these flowers so he doesn't get what? Eaten. What's this?
Butterfly.
I know, but what part of a butterfly?
Oh,
Right, it's antennas. And that's it. That's the rest of the book. Do you guys have ideas of things that are similar and different to caterpillars and butterflies?
Yes.
Okay, keep them up here.
Yeah, because we're gonna do something about that. Okay? So you remember the Venn diagram?
Where we
Remember
compared
we
this
did it
to
before?
the giraffe.
We know it?
Riley, I already know this.
Yeah. So now,
I did it before.
Wait.
I did
Okay, let's listen. Let's listen.
so now we're gonna do the Venn diagram for compare and contrast for what? Can you tell me for what? What we just
What
did?
are we comparing and contrasting?
What did we just
If
read
they're-
about?
if they're not the same color,
What about like what's the
Are we comparing
book
and
about?
contrasting a butterfly to a moth?
a butterfly to a caterpillar?
Right.
So here you go. We're gonna work on it together, okay? I'm gonna help you write. If you need to know any spelling, you ask me that, and then we'll help you, okay? We will write 2 compare and 2 contrast, okay? You know what to write what? Like which part you write the compare?
So
If
remember,
you write, after that we're gonna play something and we're gonna gift. You know that?
in the center of our Venn diagram, that is where we compare the two things, okay? So we're writing the things that are the same in the middle. On the outsides is where we're writing the things that are different. So what you should do is label the, what is that? The left side of your Venn diagram with caterpillar or butterfly, and put the other one on the other side.
If you need to see how it's spelled, it's right here. I'll stand like this for just a second. Caterpillar is C-A-T.
So you put either caterpillar here or butterfly here, and you put the other one on the other side.
C-A-T. E-R. P-I-L-L-A-R. Just write it the best you can, okay? Butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. We're not taking a spelling test, so it doesn't have to be exact, so just write it the best you can, okay?
Oh, we have clipboard. I didn't know that.
Yeah, if you want to just put cat on the side.
Okay, there you go. I didn't know that.
Does everybody else want a clipboard?
Anybody else want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want one. Hey, where's my pencil? These are heavy.
You need a pencil?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
So what do we put in the center of our Venn diagram?
What part
What
goes
goes in the center, in the middle? The comparisons or the contrast? Things that are the same or the things that are different? What goes in the middle? The things that are the same. That goes in the middle of your Venn diagram. Let's look back at this really quickly. We have our giraffe and we have our zebra. On the middle, here, I put the things that are the same. So they're animals. I put that in the center. I put that they both have 4 legs. I put that in the center. These are our comparisons. They're in the middle. On the outside is where I put the zebra having black and white stripes. The giraffe having spots, or that it's yellow. Outsides are different. The things that are the same are in the middle.
Our circles come together in the middle.
Yeah.
See where they come together and they're the same circle right here? That's where you want to put your stuff that's the same. Okay, do you guys want to work together on this?
I think we should do some partner work here. So we can do 2 groups of 2, 1 group of 3.
Can you two work together and you tell each other what you think is the same or different about caterpillars and butterflies and try and write it down?
Okay, you
She
girls
said
right
we're
here.
working together.
Can you two work together back
We'll
here?
talk about the things that are
Hmm?
the same or that
Yep,
compare
you
to
two
things
work
that are
together and you guys talk about and write down what you think is the same and different. You're right here with these. You gotta be a group of three.
Nice, yes, she did read about that.
Think about things like a butterfly's
Butterflies have that are
wings.
different.
Okay, I think they need help with the pen.
Just spell it the best you can.
I know.
They need
So you two, yeah, talk about the things that contrast, things that are different on the outside, some things that are the same or compare. Discuss, talk together. Can y'all think of anything? What was something that the caterpillars had that the butterflies didn't have? Okay, so
You need to know the spelling of the butterfly? Oh, yeah.
Okay.
A lot of ways.
So which side would you put that on, the caterpillar or the butterfly?
She's not working.
Yeah, so go ahead and write that. If you can't spell it, it's okay, just try. Just share it. Say again. Ask your partner. Y'all are working together. So ask her what she said. She said caterpillars have a lot of legs. That's what she
Need
said.
help?
They have more legs
Do you need help?
on the caterpillar side.
What? What is
Just do the
spelling?
best you can.
Okay, what do you want to write? You can talk to your partner, she can help you.
What are your three ideas?
How do you spell straight?
Okay, let's
try
try the butterfly side. What do butterflies have that
Your S goes
caterpillars
on
don't
it.
have?
It's What about?
Maybe. Go
What
ahead and
about
write it.
who has wings?
So just write it. That's a good idea. Let's write that down. You know how to spell now. Go ahead and write it on the butterfly side.
Are they both
Oh, okay.
a lot of colors or no colors?
Okay, so where should we put that? If they both have it, should it go? There you
I
go.
wonder where you would put that.
Those are the things that compare.
It's okay.
So what's this one here?
You're not
A
behind.
lot of, what is this? Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Switch it around. You can leave it.
Now you're not, I'm sorry, Emily.
What's your name? Emily. You can leave this paper here.
Your mama here. Except for you go home.
For working with us. Have a good one.
Hey, anybody write anything like, oh, she's gone?
Yeah.
Okay. So, have you managed to write anything?
Join the back group.
Okay. Anybody, go ahead and
Okay,
join them
yeah,
back
you
here.
can
And then you
join
can work
here.
with them. So, yeah, these two
So-
right here.
Since everybody's trying to write, let's do some together, okay? See, here I have one, okay? So this part, what do you write in this part?
Oh.
So, have anybody write anything? Can you share with me?
All right, let's raise our hands and we want to see what you wrote and we're gonna write it on our Venn diagram.
So say one. You want to say? Okay. So have stripes. Okay. Did everybody else write the same?
No, wait, they did, but they did.
Okay, so it's gonna be here, right? So is it contrast or compare?
Is it just the caterpillar or both the caterpillar and the butterfly?
It's just the cow.
Just the caterpillar.
So that will be contrast, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you write that? You wanna write it? Like caterpillar have stripes.
They haven't wrote anything.
Yeah, so you can write that too. If you haven't write anything, you can write that. Okay, so what do we have for the butterflies?
Kind of. This been
What do butterflies have that caterpillars don't have?
Wings. Butterflies don't have stripes.
That's a good one too.
That's a good one too.
Caterpillars don't have wings. And when
Let's
I
raise our
write
hand.
it,
You're right, but let's raise our hand and say it.
Yeah.
Louder.
So we're gonna write don't have stripes.
Mm-hmm. You have another one?
Okay.
Go for it.
So those who didn't write anything, can you write it please? So we're gonna wait for the one who didn't write it. Can you write please?
I'm a right dog.
So far we've got two contrasts. We have caterpillars have stripes, and then butterflies don't have stripes.
Okay. So can you write something for the compare them? What both of them have?
Colors.
Colors?
Oh,
That's
mhm.
good.
Rory, you had a great answer just a minute ago. Can you share it with everyone? I think you said something that butterflies have that caterpillars don't.
Yeah, what did you
What
say?
was it?
Wings?
Wings. Yeah, I think
Wings, yeah, then we can write it in two. See, caterpillar don't have wings or don't have wings? Does caterpillar have wings?
No.
No, so don't have, right? Don't have wings. And so butterfly have wings? Does the butterfly have wings? Okay. Okay, so what can we say about both of them? Another one for the compare. What is the same for both of them? Can anybody else tell me something that is similar for both of them?
You girls
same?
in the front have things in the middle.
Yeah, what
What's
did you
the
write?
same?
Did anybody else write anything else? Like, did you write anything? Any other compare? Can you tell me? You know a lot of stuff. I know that. Can you share something? You don't want to share?
Do both of them have eyes or just one of them? Do butterflies have eyes?
Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No.
No. You have to pick one.
I can't see it.
Let's look at it.
Yeah, let's look at it.
No. Colors.
You think that butterfly has eyes?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
So if they both have eyes, where should you put it?
If I didn't have eyes, they couldn't be able to fly. They would just crash.
I know.
So
So
we
our
have-
butterflies and our caterpillars
You wanna
have
take one?
eyes.
You can take one. Good job. Thank you.
I want to go to sleep.
We'll do it. We have a little bit of time. Okay.
I
See, after we finish, we're gonna open that egg. You know that? We have this Easter egg today. So finish it, quickly. Yeah. So everybody have two? How many compare you have and how many contrast you have?
1,
One.
2.
Yes.
1, 2. There's only 5 here.
Okay, so
Okay.
that is good for right now.
Okay. So now we learn. What do we learn here? Can everybody share?
That butterflies and caterpillars don't really have the same things, but some of them do.
That's a good takeaway.
They have, we only have to contrast and compare caterpillars and butterflies.
Yes.
Good use of vocabulary.
And as another part of review, can someone tell me what it means to compare things? What does it mean to compare?
Comparing is like you're comparing if they're the same or not the same.
Okay, you're comparing if they're the same, and contrasting is what? You're
Not the same.
Exactly. Good job.
Perfect. Okay, I will take your clipboards and your pencils. You can give me the whole clipboard with the paper on it and all. I'll take your paper.
Now we're gonna do a little game,
Oh,
and then we open the Easter egg. Okay?
Thank you.
we're finding Easter eggs?
Yeah. See, I found it the Easter egg. So now we're gonna play a game. I'm gonna the game called this and that. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you something that you like. If you like it, you're gonna stand up. If you don't like it, you're gonna stay sit. Okay? So who likes dogs? Okay. And who loves cat? Okay, no, okay. So those who loves dog, you stand up. Those who loves cat, sit up. Only you love cat, nobody else love cat?
I like cats.
Okay,
I like
okay,
cats.
okay.
I
You
like
listen.
cats.
No, only one. Pick one. What do you want to pick?
And dogs. I like cats and dogs.
Okay, just pick one. What do you love more? The
Well, I like
dogs?
cats and dogs. Cats. Yeah.
Cats?
Dogs.
Oh.
No, cats. I literally have kids.
Pick one. Pick one. Okay. You love dogs, right? You love dogs.
My favorite.
Okay. She stays. So one. Okay.
I want
Okay. So now. Okay. So those who sit down is cat lover, and those who are standing is dog lover, right? So now share one thing that is same for the dog and the cat.
I know that the
Okay.
cats have ears and the dogs have different ears. Because their dogs have
So is it the same or is it different?
different.
Is it different?
No, wait.
Is it
The
complete?
same.
So does cat
They
and
both
dog
have ears.
both have, yeah. So now the dog lovers you share, like why do you love dogs? What is different? What is it, how is it different from cat?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, you finish. I'll come to you. Okay, yeah, say, share.
They're shaped different.
They're shaped different?
That's a good one.
That's a good one. You share.
Cats have long tails and dogs have short tails.
Does all dogs have short tails?
Well, sometimes they have
Most of the time they have short
short
tails.
tails, but sometimes dogs have like medium-sized tails.
Okay, that's a good one.
Some dogs don't even have a tail.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
My dog has a red tail.
Alright.
Okay. Focus. So we can say the size too. Most of the time the cats are small, right? And dogs are big. Most of the time. We have some small dogs. Okay.
Let's stand still.
Yeah. Okay. That was our compare and contrast between dogs and cats. So just one person, okay? One person tell me one similar, one that is same, and then one person will say that's different, okay? Who want to say the same for cat and dog? You want to say?
I do.
Okay, say, yeah. Say something that is same for dog and cat.
They both have whiskers.
Ah,
Mm,
that's a good one. Okay, and one different. Okay, you say.
They both don't.
Okay. Oh, you think about it. Let me go to heart. Okay. Let us share. Okay. So then I'll listen to you. Yes.
Cats normally they make different sounds.
Ah, that's a good one difference. See, they do meow, right? And dogs, they bark, right? Okay, now you
I know how they cat. They both have different ways. Because dogs have hang down and cats have
Yeah, that's a good. Okay, everybody sit. Everybody sit. Sit on your place. Now we're gonna open the Easter egg. You know the Easter egg? You want to open it?
Yes.
Everybody in place. Stay on your place. Okay? Okay.
Turn into a box.
So let's open it and get to
I've never seen one of those before.
So can anybody guess what's inside? What?
Candy. Dogs and cats. The animals.
Animals. Oh.
Real animals or fake animals?
Fake animals.
Fake. You don't think my real dog would fit in there?
No.
He's
too big. That's too. He's bigger than you. You would have to do a lot of. It's candy.
Here it
Yeah,
comes.
probably.
Candy.
So
Alright, so
I'll
let's
go
be
to
seated and
I'll-
quiet.
yes. I'll go to each of you and you pick one inside that. Okay? Okay, let's start from here. Pick one. Only one.
What? I wonder what it is. Maybe there's baby chicks inside of the can.
Baby chicks inside? That's a good idea.
Collins, what do you
Feed
think
it,
is inside?
please, on our bottoms.
I don't feel it. I think this one.
Okay.
You think that one's inside?
So
Okay.
now,
my
so now we're gonna feel it.
Boys, on our buttons.
Yes.
Quiet, please.
Quiet.
Rory, move over here for me, please, on this
Yeah.
red button.
Yes.
Let me see how fast you can get on the red button. 5, 4, 3. Oh, that was
Yes.
fast.
Okay.
Okay, good job.
So now everybody, I'm giving you 1 minute to feel what is inside, and then share with me what you feel. Okay, one by one.
I feel squishy.
I will ask. Okay? Okay. So, you're gonna tell me what do you think like the animal is, right? It should be an animal squishy, right? So what do you think is it? So, 1, 2, 3. Raise your hand. What is it? You say.
A cat. Wait, I know one. I know mine.
Yes?
It's this.
Let me see what that is.
It's a flower.
The flower? Let me feel.
Okay.
Hmm.
It does.
Okay, okay. What about you? What do you think?
I think it's a frog.
It's a frog?
Let me feel.
You?
Wait a minute. I feel the eye.
Can you see through the bag?
Tail?
Can you kind of see?
What do you think?
Oh, yeah.
Pink.
I can,
Oh my
yeah.
goodness.
What do you
Now
think?
I know what mine is. I can see
I feel eyes.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think
Wait your
it's
turn to
the
talk.
Okay, okay. Now listen, silence. Okay, now we're gonna open it and see. And then we're gonna turn to your shoulder partner.
You guys need help?
Yeah. Can you, Zaria, can you be
Yes,
his
yes.
shoulder partner? You will turn to your shoulder partner and you'll discuss.
I got it.
Yeah. So, and you will discuss what you have same in your squish animal and what you have
I know.
different. Okay?
Got your?
I got it.
Got it?
Were you right? Was your guess correct?
I was right. I got mine
I
already.
want one. Can I have yours?
I got mine right. 'Cause
No.
Okay, okay, silence. Silence. So you're gonna turn. Do you know how to do turn
Here you
and
go,
talk?
Oh, you got it?
Everybody know how to turn and talk?
Nice.
Eyes up here, boys and girls. Are we listening? Because I don't think we're listening. She asked a question. Do you guys know what turn and talk is?
Yes.
So now turn to your shoulder partner and talk about how your squishy is different and how it's same. And then you share with
You
me.
can join with them.
Yeah, you can join with them. You have 3 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna look at the clock. You have 3 minutes.
What do these all have in common? How can they all compare?
They're made out of rubber.
Yeah,
They're squishy.
They're all squishy. Nice.
And they
I
all
see a
have
lot of differences.
red. They all have eyes.
They all have eyes. Nice.
If you are ready to share your thoughts, then tell me, okay?
I have a lot of squishy.
One at a
Let
time.
everybody
Let's
finish,
raise our
okay?
hands.
Let everybody
please.
finish, then we'll listen one by one. Okay? Did you guys discuss? Did you figure it out?
Yeah.
Can you say? Can you share it like that?
How can you use it in a complete sentence?
Yeah. Can you
Would you
use
ask
that?
compare or contrast? Which one would you
Yeah.
ask? Compare?
Compare. You.
So you could say yours and hers are alike because like blank, blank, blank.
Ours is a white because their smiles kind of look the same.
Okay. I like
Good.
that.
I think theirs is smaller. No.
Okay, so can you now say contrast? One contrast in full sentence? They are different because
Collins, you can say this one. They're different because hers has bigger eyes and mine has smaller.
That's a good
That's
one.
a good one. So have you guys decided? Can you say it in full sentence? Can you read it from here and then share? So let's do the compare first. So your and their, how is different? How is same? So yours and theirs
Wait,
are similar because
they spun paper.
they stick on paper. Wow, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, they're sticking paper.
No, they
Not
don't.
quite.
Okay, you tell me one comparison that your squishy and their squishy are similar because how is it similar? Can anybody else say?
They both squish.
Ah, yeah.
Cause that's their name, squish.
Yeah, okay. So, can you tell me what the I don't really know. Yeah. So, can you say it in full sentence? The contrast, like they are different because one is.
They're different because they're not the same thing and they're not the same color.
Ah, that's good.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
So you could say they're different because yours is what color?
Mine is blue.
And his is what color?
Pink.
Yeah. So they're different because one is blue, one is pink. Yeah.
Who's your shoulder partner? He just put a.
Okay, boys and girls, so as you go home today, I want you to ride down the road and think about how your vehicle that you ride in, a car or a truck, compares to the vehicle next to you. So maybe your car is red and the car next to you is white. Or how are they different? Maybe you're in a car and they're in a truck. You can think about this as you go home.
So if me and Zaria pulled up to a
Listening,
stoplight,
listening.
look, listen. If me and Zaria pulled up at a stoplight and we looked at each other's cars, I would say my car is taller
Mhm.
than Zaria's car.
Yeah,
Her car's lower to the ground and my car's higher up.
right.
I see it.
And I would say my car has 2 doors
I knew.
and her car has 4 doors. That's how they're contrasting.
My car has 5
Yeah.
doors.
Okay.
so I'll just ask that
Yes,
question.
you
That's
do.
okay.
Okay.
So listen, everybody. We're almost done. Okay. So now does everybody know what is compare and contrast? Do you know? Everybody say yes or no?
Yes!
No?
Raise your hand if you know. I know.
What it means to compare? What it means to contrast?
5 squishy. Okay.
Okay, keep it
Wait,
on your
that's a
pocket.
glass.
Now is not the time. Okay, we're gonna finish it quick. Okay. So if anybody tell you to compare and contrast between two things, can you do that? Can you do that?
I think you can. Can you?
Yes! No! Yes! Yes!
Yes!
Yes! Yes!
So now somebody tell me what is compare? Sure.
It's something you eat, things are the same.
Okay, now somebody tell me what is contrast.
Eat. We can see how they're different.
Okay.
Great.
Now somebody else give me an example. Anybody else? Can you give me an example?
What example?
Like for a compare.
Oh,
Compare our outfits.
yours is pink with white, yours is white with pink stripes, and yours is blue with red and different all the colors.
Is it compare or is it contrast?
Construct.
Yeah.
Good. How do their outfits compare, Rory? Rory, how are their outfits similar in some sort of way?
I'll give you a hint. I see one color that we both have on.
What is it?
What?
Right, it's white. We both have white on our outfits.
Yeah, so that's it for today. Now we're gonna give you some paper and some color, and you're gonna draw a picture. You can draw your squishy too.
I'm gonna
And write 3 things about it. Okay?
Okay,
Draw a
everyone-
picture